Hi everyone. So firstly, I just want to thank all of you all. Now first movie, Telugu, like when I started acting in Telugu films, you know, till now, all of you all have really supported me and given me a lot of love. And I'm so happy to be a part of this project. About the whole team, I think on sets, there was a full young, full positive vibe. And it was great working with everyone. So many difficulties came, so many problems came, as it happens in every film. But I think our team worked as one, and you can see the result on screen. It's great. And I think the combination of Judah and Sid for the song, I think it couldn't be any better. And I think I'm really glad that I'm part of such a great film, such great people to work with. So I'm really, really happy. And sorry, I practiced something in Telugu, but I've forgotten everything. Okay, let me think. Okay, yeah, so I think Siri Jones. So yeah, I think e-song చాలా హిట్ అవుతుంది అండ్ ఐమ్ షూర్ మీ అందరికీ ఫోన్లో ఈ సాంగ్ ప్లేలిస్ట్లో రిపీట్ మోడ్లో ప్లే అవుతుంది సో ఎంజాయ్ ద సాంగ్ అండ్ ఐమ్ షూర్ మీ అందరం ఈ మూవీ సాంగ్స్ అండ్ మూవీ వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు సో దిస్ is just the beginning. It's only going to get better. Trust me, we promise that it's going to be a great journey of music and the film. So yeah, thank you guys for coming and